Remember, if you want to succeed in your business, you have to love what you are doing, right? Imagine you do not love doing what you are doing. You will not make a success out of your career. You have to do something that gets you excited. You are on fire. Every single day, it is as if you cannot wait to do what you are doing, right? Find that one thing that you simply love doing. You just love doing what you are doing. That way, you will not focus on the income, on the money, but you will focus on simply doing what you enjoy doing. What is fun for you? What comes naturally to you? What is easy for you to do? And do that one thing. Stay consistent, persistent, and be dedicated to doing what you simply love doing. That will make your life so much more meaningful. You will feel grateful, in awe. You will, that will rub off on other people as well.